What's up everybody, welcome back to another DP Tubs video. Today we're going to be working on a bathtub reglazing with a small repair, but the main focus today is going to be on a new DIY tub reglazing material. I'm going to start off by sanding it down with 120 grit sandpaper, cleaning, rinsing, and washing according to the instructions on the DWIL tub and tile reglazing kit. Gonna rinse it clean, remove any soap scum, surface rust, in preparation for the acid wash that I'm gonna do. Not everyone needs to do the acid wash, most professionals will, but if you're a DIYer, then cleaning, rinsing, removing soap scum should be sufficient enough with the new DWIL tub and tile kit. Alright, so here's the tub after rinsing and cleaning with just water, sandpaper, and some elbow grease, getting it ready for an acid wash. As I mentioned before, not everyone needs to do an acid wash, especially if you're a DIYer. This is mainly for professionals. Since I'm doing this job and giving a warranty to a customer, I'm going to do an acid wash to help with a little bit of an additional roughness of the surface for better bonding and adhesion. But with the DWIL tub and tile kit, it will definitely adhere to the surface even if you do not acid wash. Now I'm going to get ready to start mixing the DWIL tub and tile kit. You can see it comes with a mixing stick, a roller, paintbrush, tape, and some masking paper. However, I'm going to be spraying it on as a professional, but they do supply all DIYers with the proper tools. First thing I'm going to do is shake it up. You want to make sure that the material in the container is shaken up really well. Then I'm going to go ahead and mix it with the mixing stick and add in the hardener or catalyst. Mixing the material, I was able to tell that it was going to be very thick and strong. So mixing it up, I like the viscosity to be a little thinner, so I'm going to add some water to reduce it. It says not to add any more than 5% of the amount of material you're going to use if you're going to reduce with water. That is one of the nice things about this product, is that it's water-based, so a lot of the cleanup is with just water. It's not a messy job with solvents and chemicals. So a lot of the reducing is with water, cleanup is with water. It is a very low odor, low VOC product. This product is also great for beginners. And remember, it comes with all of the necessary accessories to get the job done. Once I'm done mixing it up, I always like to use a strainer to reduce any clumps or particles that occurred during the mixing of the paint, so I strain it out into my gun cup before I start spraying. I was actually surprised at how well it sprayed out of the gun. This was my first time spraying it, but it actually sprayed out really well. Coverage was good, nice and thick. I gave it a good 3 coats of the finished material. Now keep in mind, all of you DIYers, that if you don't have spray equipment or a spray gun, you could still use what's provided in the box and brush and roll it on, and it will still give you a nice smooth finish. It does come out to be a little bit more of a satin finish, but the bright white really makes the tub look nice once completed. And don't forget to click the link in the description box down below and use my code DPTubsReglazing30 to get 30% off your DWIL tub and tile refinishing kit.